Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We've been working on the BA XR8, bringing the exterior back, and it's time for some new wheels. So yes, it's that time. We've been working on the XR8 over the last couple episodes. You remember we've been bringing back the paint, this enamel paint job, by cut and polishing it, and I've actually started adding some wax. We're starting to get some good shine back off it. But today, it's time to upgrade the wheels. We've been running these 18 by 8 XHP wheels, which if you guys remember were a gift to my brother. But today, we're going to upgrade them. So the new wheels have arrived, so we may as well have a look inside. What we've got today is some 18 by 9.5 rotor wheels. I think these are P45R2s. But yes, they should look pretty good. They got a nice dish on them. They're 9.5. So yeah, we'll have to get some tyres on them. We'll get into it. So we've gone with the same size tyres that we were running before, which means we got that nice little poke there with the dish. They are also plus 20 offset, so when we put them on the car, they should be nice and level. See how these tuck in a little bit? We're going to get that offset out, so it should look nice and fat. And not only did we just get new wheels, we got some nice wheel nuts too. One, so they don't get stolen easy, and two, they're good for these kinds of rims. They'll actually fit inside, not damage them. Plus, being silver and chrome, they should match up with those wheels pretty good. They do come with center caps, so don't stress. So these wheels have served their purpose. They've done well, but it's time for them to go back to their normal owner. They did complete a good look for this car, but it's time to change it up to my look. See you later. So, let's get these old wheels off, start putting the new ones on. And here it is, guys. There we go. The big wheels are on there. Aggressive offset. But it's changed the whole look of the car. We also changed the indicators out. We put some factory ones on there. I repaired them, some factory ones, by wet sanding and polishing them. Now we've got some factory ones on there. I might put some aftermarket clear ones on there, but I wanted to take them off to make it as legal as possible. But yeah, look at it. Definitely changed the whole look of it. Fat. So I'm pretty happy with the look for that now. It's good. So continuing on with the rest of this project, I've got to finish up the roof. As I said, I've been waxing and polishing the car, but I haven't touched that. But I've done a lot of the rest of the paint. You can see the gloss is coming up. It's getting there. But yeah, obviously we've got, still trying to make this thing look good. We've got the nitrous to come and other things as well. So as always, thanks again for watching, guys. Till the next one, see you later.